we'll see if that works. What I work on was putting the leash on and off, because he likes the very anxious thoughts and very nervous thoughts. And so immediately what I needed to do is, how, you ask? Well, easy, it's clear communication. So you're not having to give a lot. The tool is introduced right. So I literally, I'll put up the other video of how very quickly that pulling is away from me. And so we're just gonna do a little video of pressure and release where he's unsure about the world. So what he needs right now is a strong leader to show that's scary and to change the way he perceives and sees things in his environment. Anna wanted me to do some training with him, and so this is what they get. It's early in the morning, and no, leave it, good. Pull up. I call it an interrupter. It's to interrupt the behavior.